Hello to all our travel souvenirs family. We are back with you. Once again, we are a bit late with another video. The reason being that we were very excitedly working behind a project, a similar project to what we have done before, which is we have worked out a low cost solar power generator which can be used for travel, which can be used for remote camping, which can be used for you want to sell at remote places. So like small time vendors, you where you don't have electricity. So it's a power solution where you don't have normal electrical supply. We were overwhelmed by the response of the portable power solar generator that we had advertised through our friends channel. We have received tremendous response, but the one thing that we found was the budget part. So the one that we have done was a 600 watt uh, generator, which could generate 600 watts of DC power and 200 watts of AC power, and for which we had used lithium ion battery, which and so the total construction of that costed to about 30,000 for us, because everything was custom made by us and we had procured it from the online market. So and that was the least we could price, considering that these products are available online at 3 times 4 times the price of this. It is cheaper, but we found that for Indian market it is still way too high. So what is the solution? So we thought we could develop one product for which affordability is not a constraint. So one, we could develop that at a very low cost. I mean, the lowest cost possible, for which we thought that lithium phosphate would be an option, and instead of going for a 50 ampere hour battery, we thought we might as well go for a 30 ampere hour battery. So folks, amongst you, many of you would be travel freaks. Many of you would want to camp remotely. Many of you want to sell at tourist places, hilltops, wherever you have crowd. You would like to do small time business. Many of you would be a bike rider. Many of you, would want to travel long journeys with families. For all of this, if you have a companion which could be a power solution for you, wouldn't that be a good idea? So here, friends, may I proudly present to you this portable power generator cum inverter, which could be charged from the solar panel. Also, you can domestically charge at your house using domestic AC power outlets. So this has a 30 ampere hour lithium phosphate battery, It has a floodlight, which is you know, which can be used as a floodlight. Also it can be used as a searchlight. It can be used as stationary light source for all your camping purpose. It has an inverter. Through this inverter you can power devices up to 300 watts. That is two AC power outlets you have for 300 watts devices. Then additionally you have 2-pin sockets. So, 2 3-pin sockets, 2 2-pin sockets, 4 USB ports, and then you have a voltmeter which indicates the status of your battery. Additionally, we have given one more, which this is through the inverter, and additionally we have given one more which gives you this charge capacity of your battery. So, and we have these switches through which you can power your inverter, you can power your floodlight and also your voltmeter. So, it is about 5 kilos in weight, and you can actually, it has a shoulder strap. You can either wrap it like this on your shoulder in carry, or you can hold it like a handle. Now, to charge this 30 ampere hour battery, as I told you, we have two means. One, you can use the domestic AC outlet for charging. If you are using that, it will take about 5 hours, provided you are using a 10 ampere hour charger. You can use between 1 to 10, you can use any ampere hour charger. The only thing, if you are using a higher spec, then it will charge faster. So, 10 ampere hour will charge, for full charge it will take max 5 hours, and but as for the safety of the battery is concerned, we would advise you to use a low ampere hour charger. It might take time, because if you are at home, you can put it for charging overnight, and in the morning you are ready to go. And if you are using a solar panel for charging, then if you are using a 50 watt solar panel, it will take about 10 to 12 hours of daylight for charging the battery fully. This is the maximum that we are saying. We would be putting a video on the demonstrated performance of this of the battery and the solar panel and the charger separately. As you all might have seen our video on the portable solar generator that we had created earlier, which was made with a lithium ion battery, and which was 50 ampere hour battery. Compared to that, the cost is much reduced here, mainly because the lithium phosphate batteries are cheaper. Though the volume and weight wise is a little higher than lithium ion battery, since we have used a 30 ampere hour battery, it more or less comes to the same weight. The overall weight of this instrument is about 5 kilos, which is very convenient for you, and you can carry it while trekking. You can keep it in any corner of your vehicle. Even if you are a bike rider, you can conveniently stow it in your dicky box, on your tail box. So, this is very useful and handy, and if you really want to travel long and stay long, this is going to be very useful, and this is going to make your holidays more special. This product is for sale, And for all those of you who are interested to buy this product, we can promise you a good price for this. Please contact us on WhatsApp. The numbers will be given below in the description, either on WhatsApp or you can contact us on Instagram or Facebook. If you have liked this product and the demonstration, you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Do mention your views and opinions in the comment section. We will be very happy to take all your comments and views very seriously and improvise on this product with your expert ideas. Hope you have liked our video. Stay subscribed, and for all those of you who are interested in similar contents, please subscribe our channel. Happy to see you soon. See you. Bye bye.